Welcome class. Today we will continue with chapter 5, Festival we celebrate. So in our previous video we had came across some of the religious festivals like Dasahara, Durga Puja, Diwali and Eid. So today we will come to know about Christmas. Christmas is the most important festival of the Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. So it is one of the most important festival of the Christians and it is celebrated on 25th December every year. This day is the birthday of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. People decorate their houses with Christmas tree. So Christmas is a birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was who? Who was Jesus Christ? He was the founder of Christianity. So on this day, the birthday of Jesus Christ is being celebrated. People decorate their houses with Christmas tree, and the Christians, they decorate their houses with Christmas tree. Every people living in our country decorate their houses with Christmas tree. They offer special prayers at midnight. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them on Christmas. So at the midnight, at 12 o'clock at night, people offer prayers to their God. People offer prayer to Jesus Christ. And children, they believe that Santa Claus brings gift for them. Santa Claus brings gift for the children on Christmas. Now we will come to Guru Parv. Guru Parv is the festival of Sikhs. So it is the main festival of Sikhs. We celebrate the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and other Sikh Gurus on this day. So we celebrate the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and other Sikh Guru on the day of Guru Parv. On Guru Parv, people decorate their houses and Gurudwaras. So on Guru Parv, people decorate their houses with lights and flowers, and the Gurudwaras are also being decorated. The Sikhs go to the Gurudwara to offer prayer, and the Sikhs, they go to Gurudwara to offer prayers to their Gurus, to their gods. They go to Gurudwara to offer prayers. Now we will come to Holi. Holi is called the festival of colors. See, the picture of Holi is given in your book. It is describing the picture of a Holi. So Holi is also called a festival of colors. It begins with the burning of Holika. So Holi begins with the burning of Holika. Holika is celebrated one day before Holi. Holika was a bad woman who wanted to kill her God-fearing nephew Prahlad. So who was Holika? Holika, she was a very bad woman and she wanted to kill Prahlad. Prahlad was nephew of Holika and she wanted to kill her nephew Prahlad. On Holi, people throw colors on each other. So on Holi, people start playing with different colors and they start to throw colors on each other. Children enjoy throwing colored water with pichkaris. So children, they enjoy playing Holi with pichkaris. People sing and dance, and every people, they sing and dance joyfully. So this was about Holi. Now we will come to read about Pongal. Pongal is an important festival of Tamil Nadu. So Pongal is one of the important festivals of Tamil Nadu. The people living in Tamil Nadu, the Pongal is one of the important festival for them. It comes in the month of January. So it is celebrated in the month of January. It is celebrated for 3 days. People worship the rain god, the sun god and the mother cow. So Pongal is celebrated for 3 days and people worship rain god, sun god and mother cow. They prepare a special dish called pongal rice from newly harvested rice. They shout pongal pongal. So on pongal they prepare a special dish which is known as pongal rice, and they start shouting pongal pongal. This is the thing that we came to know about pongal. Now we will see the festival Onam. Now we will come to know about Onam. Onam is the most important festival of Kerala. As Pongal was the most important festival of Tamil Nadu, Onam is the most important festival of Kerala. It comes in the month of August or September, and it comes in the month of August or September. It is celebrated for 4 days, and it is celebrated for a duration of 4 days. People believe that King Mahabali visits his kingdom during these days, and there is a feeling in the people that King Mahabali, he comes to his kingdom during the festival of Onam. Young girls dance Kathakali, and a dance is also performed which is known as Kathakali. The main attraction of this festival is snake boat race, and the main attraction of this festival is snake boat race. See, the picture of snake boat race is given. So it is one of the main attraction of the festival Onam. Now we will come to Ganesh Chaturthi. It is the main festival of Maharashtra, and Ganesh Chaturthi, it is one of the most important festival of the people of Maharashtra. People worship Lord Ganesh on this day. They bring idols of Lord Ganesh to their houses and worship them. After few days, the idols are immersed in the water. So on Ganesh Chaturthi, people worship Lord Ganesh, and they bring the idols of Lord Ganesh to their houses, and then they worship them. And after worshipping of few days, the idols are immersed in the water. So students, today we came to know about the religious festivals. In our next video, we will come to know about national festival. National festival like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are some of the national festival. So students, your homework is to go through the chapter up to taught and read the chapter thoroughly. So that's all for today. Thank you.